Assalamu alaikum, my dear students in grade 5. Today I'm going to explain to you lesson 1.5. I will explain just some questions to show you how to compare two decimals and how to order decimals. Now, to compare decimals, we have to follow many steps. The first step, we need to line up the numbers and to line up the decimal point. Look at these two numbers, 0.890. So what about the other number? It is 0.89. So I line them up. Here I put 0.89. So when I compare them, when I compare the ones with the ones from the left, dot under the dot, the tenths under the tenths, then the hundreds under the hundreds, they are the same. But here we have extra zero extra. So as you know, we can add zeros on the right. So they are the same. So they are equal. Here in this example, as I told you, if you line up the numbers, here first I compare the ones, here 5 and here 5. Then the tenths, 7, 6. Now I keep comparing until they are different. So now they are different, so I stop because this number is greater than this number, because 7 is greater than 6. I don't care about the 9 because I stop. When they are different, I stop. In the example 3, the ones is 9 and here 9, 7 and 7. Then we have what? 1 in the hundreds. They are different in the hundreds. Here we have 1 and here we have 0. So I stop. I don't continue. So this first number is less than the second number. Now, what about uh, let me see. Ordering. What about ordering decimals? To order decimals, I need here, he said to me, from greatest to least. So which one is the greatest? He will be first. It will be first. Now I start comparing. Here we have 878 point 400 3,000, and this is the second number, and this is the third number. I start comparing from left, so I start comparing from the hundreds. 8, 8, 8, 7, 8, 8. So this is the smallest. It will be third. It will be third. Now I compare these. 7, 7. The ones are the same. They are still the same. Then I compare the tenths. Here 3 and here 0. So this is greater. And this will be 1 in this case. And this will be 2 in this case. So the greatest number is now let's see another example. Here in this example, we have also 3 numbers. First number, second number, third number. We want to order them from greatest to least. So I start comparing from the left. 4 in the hundreds, 4 in the hundreds, 4 in the hundreds. 3 in the tens, 3 in the tens, 3 in the tens. 5, 6, 5. So this is the greatest because it has 6 in the ones. And I complete comparing these two numbers. Here in the tenths, here 5. In the tenths, here we have what? 6. So this greater to be the second, and this the least will be the third. Thank you very much with Mr. Muad JB. If you like the video, press like and don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you. But before I leave, let me show you the answers. I'm sorry. Let me erase this. Yes, as we have said, this was the first, the greatest, this was the second, and this was the third, and here is the same. This was the first, and this was the second, and this was the third.